Well, hello everybody, this is the Dane.thomas.carlson show, and today we are going to be talking about, you guessed it, mathematics. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be covering the basics that I think you need to know before you move on to the more advanced set of my videos. So let's cover, like I said, the basics. Okay, so we have the first 12 numbers, and basically what you need to know is that all numbers are made up of these numbers. I'll give you an example. 83 is made up of 8 and 3. 110 is made up of 11 and 0. So as you can see, any number that you can think up comes from the first 11 numbers. Let's get a little more advanced here and talk about exponents. Now that you have numbers down, it's important to know about exponents because if you're going to be working in the real world, like if you're going to be an attorney or an ice cream scooper, you need to be able to ring people up and tell them how much they owe you. So let's take another example, and let's say that you worked 3 days straight. And you worked for $3 an hour. Well, that means that 3 times 3 is going to be 27. And that's the main idea. If you're worried, if it seems complicated about exponents, just remember that they are the opposite of logarithms. So that should help you know them a little bit better. If I put a letter in there, like if I say 3 to the xth power equals 4, then you should be able to tell me what x equals. I'll give you a minute to figure that out. Okay, by now you've probably figured out the answer, and if you did, that's wonderful, and please check your answer by Googling. Let's wrap this up and go ahead and deal with percentages. If you get a test back and you got 3 out of 4 on your exam, that means that you got 75% correct on your exam. So when your mom asks you, how was school, how did you do on your test, you can say, oh, I got 75%. You know that because you broke this up into 4 pieces. So if your teacher has 2 questions on the test and they say you got 1 out of 2, you might be thinking, oh, well, I did good. But in reality, you did not do so good. You got 50%. So I'm going to go ahead and sign this. I hope that this helps. If you have any other questions, call me anytime, and just let me know your feedback. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps.